Give a person a basket full of fresh veggies and mushrooms, and they can eat for a day. Give a person a copy of Recipes for Reciprocity. The regenerative way from seed to table, and a handful of heirloom seeds, and they can not only feed themselves for a lifetime, but also send out ripple effects of abundance, resilience, and hope into their local community. It took 5 years of intentional research, experimentation, and distillation of knowledge to create this book, and I will tell you that the feedback I have received has been that Recipes for Reciprocity. The regenerative way from seed to table is an excellent gift, as it is in essence a fractal seed that aligns with the inherent regenerative capacity and wealth of the living gift economy of the earth. When planted within a fertile mind, that seed can unlock a great many gifts which are accessible throughout one's entire lifetime. Thus, in the spirit of the holiday season, I am offering a limited-time 40% discount on the digital ebook version of Recipes for Reciprocity. The regenerative way from seed to table, and a 20% discount on physical copies of my book, from now until December 24th. The limited time offer discount code for both is the gift that keeps on giving. I will also be throwing in some bonus goji berry seeds and Hopi red amaranth seeds with each physical copy of my book that is purchased from now until Christmas Eve. As I explored in my recent post on seed saving, goji seeds have immense potential within them to produce nutrient-dense food and medicine for many years. Each seed contains within it the potential to produce hundreds of pounds of goji berries in the vine's lifetime. If some of those berries are used to save seed, and those seeds are shared, the abundance that becomes accessible in one's local community within only a few short years is exponential. As I described in a past post, saving seeds results in far more abundance than I could ever use myself in our yard. So all gifting these seeds to other earth-loving people costs me is my time and some packaging. This I am glad to contribute, so the people buying my book will not only have a guide to build soil using free, widely available resources and recipes that inspire the senses while nourishing the body, but also the physical seeds to grow their own ingredients for the recipes, making the package a holistic fractal regenerative seed that can expand in the abundance it provides for a family with only what is within that package.